What is up guys, my name is Talhan, you are watching Gadgets is Free. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to enable circle to search in the OnePlus pad and also lots of new things I noticed about this tab running Android 16, Oxys OS 16. First option is actually circle to search. So for that, you need to actually just search navigation, which is gesture navigation. Here if you go in gesture navigation, you need to scroll down and you guys can see in this area we actually get an option called circle to search, but this option is not present here in this smartphone like in this tab. So to go there, you need to go in software and update, you need to go in system navigation, and you guys can see we don't really have any option to get circle to search in this device, but we do have an option of Gemini. So you can just Gemini whatever you want to know about this. So if I just hold this and see, I have asked what's on screen. Now we will see what Gemini will answer. So it's checking screen and app info, and I think it's gonna give a proper decent answer. That's what it's supposed to do, but I've really not used this feature a lot, so I'm not sure about how good Gemini actually works in this tab. It's actually analyzing, and there you go. Based on the image here, the current weather, the time, the temperature, everything is visible. You can even see the wind information, the air pressure, and also like tonight the temperatures will gradually drop to a low, and then tomorrow it's going to be a hot day. So everything you need to know about a page, Gemini is there to help you out in this OnePlus tab, which is kind of nice. But yeah, I kind of do miss the feature of circle to search, which I thought initially that it's going to be present in this tab, but it isn't. Let's just talk about one more thing which I noticed, and that is the beta animations. So basically, if you go in settings, you go in system, software and updates, and you go in system navigation, you get an option called swipe animations beta. Now this option basically lets you go back if you just swipe from an app. Let's say I'm in this app, I'm here, and if I just swipe like this, you guys can see I'm going back directly. So I don't need to just swipe from the bottom up. I can just swipe from anywhere on the app. So like there you go. Like earlier, let me show you the difference between these two animations. If I just disable it, I'll show you what I'm talking about, and I swipe back. Look at that. It's not going back in a way it is supposed to. Like this bouncy animation is not coming. There you go. It just goes back normally, right? Like Android does. But now with this animation enabled, if I just enable this, you will see the difference immediately. Now if I swipe back, there you go. Look at that. The app is going from this side also, from this side also, and obviously from the bottom. Now this is something which is kind of a change in this tab after the beta animations enabled. This is something you actually need to know. Now that was pretty much it. It was a very quick video of like the options you can get in this, the circle to search and the beta animations. I'm gonna make a part 2 very soon, and I'm gonna talk about other things which we have in this tab, the latest features, the updates, and the tips and tricks you need to know with the latest update. In case you have any question regarding this tab, do comment down below. That's it. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.